Good morning, children. I hope all are good at home and all are safe at home. In the previous class, we learned the definition and representation of a set. Today, we are going to learn what are the different types of sets. So, for that, let us consider some sets. Let A is equal to set of x such that x is a natural number. B is set of x such that x is a month of an year. C is the set of all x such that x belongs to n and minus 5 less than x less than 7. So let us write these sets in the roster form. Corresponding roster form of A is set of x such that x is a natural number. So which are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. In the second case, the roster form is x is a month of an year. Means it starts from January, February, like that it goes, and the last month is December. Then in the third case, we have to consider all natural numbers which are lying between minus 5 and 7. So we know that the smallest natural number is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So this way we can write the corresponding roster form. In the first case, if we count the number, we can see that there is no end. That means number of A is infinite. So such type of sets are known as infinite set. So infinite set means we cannot count the number of elements, or number of elements can be infinity. But in the second and third case, number of elements B is January to December, there are 12 months, we know that. Similarly, in the case of third set, there are 6 elements. So these two are examples for finite sets. So this is one classification of sets based on the number of elements. Number of elements are denoted by n of A, n of B, n of C, like that. If number of elements are finite or countable, such type of sets are known as finite sets. But if the number of elements are uncountable, such sets are known as infinite sets. So this is the classification based on the number of elements. Now another classification is there based on the again number of elements. Suppose a set is having no element, then such sets are known as empty set or void set or null set. Void set or null set. So null set or void set or empty set means there will not be any element in the set. It is denoted by simply braces or the letter phi. This is also a Greek letter. This letter is used for finding the denoting the empty set. So empty set or void set or null set means there won't be any element present in the given set. For example, if I write A is the set of all x such that x belongs to n, x is a natural number, and 1 less than x less than 2. So we know that there is no natural number lying between 1 and 2. So answer is 5 here. Therefore, this is an example for an empty set. Okay. Then next classification is, next type of set is singleton set. Single means 1. So singleton set means there will be only one element in that set. Example we can give, A is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to capital N. 1 less than x, I am changing this number as 3. So which is the only natural number lying between 1 and 3? It is 2. So this is only one element set. That means this is known as a singleton set. Another example we can write, B is the set of x such that x is an even prime number. We know that only even prime number is 2. So this is nothing but singleton 2. So this is also an example for a singleton set. So these are the classifications of sets based on the number of elements. Now what are equal and equivalent sets? Equal sets and equivalent sets. Equal sets means two sets are said to be equal if number of elements and number of elements of both the sets A and B are equal, and the elements should also be exactly the same. But if n of A is equal to n of B only is satisfied, then they are known as equivalent sets. Equivalent sets example is A is equal to set 1, 2, 3. B is equal to set A, B, C. We can see that in both the cases, number of elements are same. N of A is equal to N of B is equal to 3. So these two are equivalent sets. Now for equal sets, the number of elements should be same. At the same time, the elements should also be same. That is, A is equal to set of all x such that x is a letter of the word follow. Then B is the set of all x such that x is a letter of the word wolf. So in both the cases, if we write the elements in the roster form, which are the distinct letters, elements will not be repeated in a set. So which are the distinct letters here? F is there, O is there, L is there, W is there. Same way, if we write B in roster form, we can see that the same elements are there. W, then O, then L, then F. Elements can be written in any order, but we can see that in both the sets, elements are same. So here A and B are equal sets. So these are the main concepts related to exercise number 2 of NCERT book. Because this chapter is common for both the streams, so you can take the help of NCERT book and solve the exercises 1 and 2. Thank you.